Are you wondering how to use Monday.com for real estate management? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick video, we're diving into how Monday.com can streamline your real estate management processes, but I'll also be sharing some critical insights you'll need before committing to it. Stick around till the end, because I've got a special free trial offer and some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. Monday.com is a powerful tool designed for project management, but it's also flexible enough to manage real estate tasks like property tracking, leasing, and maintenance. One of the first things you'll notice is how customizable the platform is, but let's take a closer look at how it can help you manage your real estate business effectively. Next thing, the main dashboard. Monday.com allows you to organize all of your properties and tenants in a visual layout. You can create boards for each property with columns for details like the status of a lease, rent payments, maintenance requests, and tenant communication. It's a central hub that allows you to keep track of all your real estate details in one place. However, while this dashboard is great for an overview, it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're managing a large portfolio with many properties. The visual clutter could make it harder to track things efficiently. The third thing to consider is the automation features. With Monday.com, you can automate repetitive tasks like sending reminders for rent payments or leasing renewals, or notifying your team about maintenance requests. It's a time saver. However, while automation is useful, it's not the most robust compared to other specialized real estate management tools. You may find yourself needing to supplement with additional tools if your automation needs are more complex. Next thing, tracking communication. Monday.com offers an integration with email, which allows you to log tenant communication directly within the platform. This is great for maintaining records, but there is one major drawback. It's not as seamless as some competitors when it comes to integrating with other communication channels like SMS or phone calls, which could be a real issue for property managers who communicate across multiple platforms. The fifth thing I want to talk about is the mobile app. Monday.com has a mobile version, which is convenient for managing properties on the go. However, the mobile app can sometimes feel clunky, and you may find that some features are harder to use on a smaller screen compared to the desktop version. And here's something you definitely need to keep in mind. Monday.com is fantastic for collaboration, but if you're looking for features specifically built for real estate management, you may find Monday.com lacking in some areas. Features like tenant screening, lease agreements, and tax reporting are not part of its core offering. It can be used for real estate, but other platforms are more specialized for this purpose. Now, if you're thinking Monday.com might still be the one for you, I want to make sure you get the best deal. We've partnered with Monday.com to offer you an exclusive extended free trial, but remember, we've also found some real alternatives that are tailor-made for real estate management. They come with free trials too, and some of them could actually provide you with more robust features for the specific needs of real estate management. These alternatives might just be better suited for your business goals. So if you're ready to explore Monday.com with our exclusive trial link or want to check out those powerful alternatives, click the link in the description. Take advantage of this special offer and start managing your real estate portfolio more efficiently today.